Hello, my name is Branislav Urban, and this is Urban Recommends.
First Aid Anti-Choking Rescue Device Automatic for Adults Kids with 3 different sizes masks Home Airway Assist Emergency Kit.
Easy to use. Quickly release danger with only one button trigger in emergency while supporting self-rescue.
Preloading. Make the rescue quicker and easier, saving valuable time in emergency situations.
3 different size masks. Cover almost all people except infants. Make sure the mask fits the face and forms a vacuum environment.
Safety. Greatly reduce the damage caused by mask pressure to face and neck, eliminating the risk of secondary damage caused by the blockage going deeper.
Consistent suction about 33 kilopascals.
Provide instant pressure to relieve choking and ensure optimal results every time.
Click and buy.